From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning. I'm student meteorologist Thomas Witte here with your Wednesday morning forecast. Taking a live look out at Beaver Stadium, you'll see we have that sunrise peeking through the clouds that are obstructing most of the sun this morning. But taking a look at live conditions right now, we are currently sitting at a temperature of 48 degrees. We do have those partly cloudy skies, a dew point of 37, visibility of 10 miles, and winds coming out of the southwest at 7 miles per hour. Taking a look at temperatures across the state, you will see that we are sitting in 50 in Philadelphia and then 50 in Erie. But for the rest of the state, we are sitting in the mid to upper 40s this morning. Taking a look across the rest of the continental United States, you'll see we have some cold air moving in from the northern plains through the northeast that is keeping the northeast pretty chilly this morning. But the more south you go, like towards Tulsa, Memphis, Abilene, you're sitting in the upper and mid 60s. Taking a look at the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook, what I want to stress here is that just because you see blue does not mean that is necessarily going to be cold temperatures. Same thing for the red does not necessarily mean it's going to be hot temperatures. What this basically means is the departure from average, so what we can expect over the next 6 to 10 days. And the blue does indicate below average temperatures while the red indicates above average temperatures. Now, since it is fall, and we're seeing that blue, we will see chillier temperatures across the southern portions of the continental U.S. and a little bit warmer temperatures over the Pacific Northwest and the western portions of the United States as a whole. Taking a look a little bit at the radar recap, we saw some showers move across the region, mostly across the northern part of the state yesterday, with the exception of the northwestern part in Erie with some lake effect bands of rain moving across. But taking a look at live radar right now, you'll see the more south you go, down south of State College, more towards Harrisburg, Pittsburgh, Johnstown, you are seeing not much cloud cover. The more north you go, you have more cloud cover and more better chance for those rain showers. Taking a look across the rest of the United States, you'll see we have two big sources of moisture today that might have an effect on our weekend. So we see down here in Texas, down towards Houston in the Gulf, we have this moisture source that's going to be moving just south of Pennsylvania. We don't have to worry about this one too much. What we do have to worry about is this source of moisture up in the Pacific Northwest here, making its way across Portland right now. That's going to make its way across the United States over here into Pennsylvania by the weekend, just in time for homecoming here at Penn State, sadly. Now taking a look at future weather, with the exception with those lake effect bands of rain over in Erie today, we're not going to see much precipitation across Pennsylvania. And then moving into tomorrow, we'll have some partly cloudy skies and some scattered showers for our Thursday afternoon. And then more clouds moving in by the evening time. And then taking a look at future weather into this weekend, like I said, we see those partly cloudy skies for Thursday before our big weather maker makes its way across the United States, like I said, from the Pacific Northwest. We're going to be seeing lots of rain, possibly a washout on Saturday, I will not lie, before those lingering showers stick around for Sunday and into Monday, sadly. It's going to be a gloomy weekend. Taking a look at some precipitation totals for this weekend, you can see by Saturday, we'll have that rain start, and by Sunday morning early, we're seeing at 1 inch of rain in State College. And across the rest of the Commonwealth, you can see we're going to be seeing over ½ an inch of rain for most of Pennsylvania. And by the end on Monday, we'll see a little bit more rain from those lingering showers. Here in Williamsport, you can see we'll have like 1 inch of rain. Over towards Allentown, about 3/4. Down in Philadelphia, again, another about 1 inch of rain. So for today, we will have a high of 62, partly cloudy skies, winds coming out of the west at 10 to 15 miles per hour, a little bit breezy, a light jacket may not be a bad idea this morning. For tonight, we'll be sitting at a temperature of 45, partly cloudy skies continuing, but those winds are dying down. For tomorrow, we'll be sitting at a high of 63, a chance of showers as we move throughout the day, going to be mostly scattered, and winds coming out of the southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And then looking at your 7-day, we'll see that we'll be in the 60s over the next few days before that rain moves in. Saturday is going to be very gloomy, I will not lie, with a high of 57. Getting chillier into Sunday and Monday with those highs in the low 50s and the rain still lingering, sadly, throughout the rest of the weekend and into the early part of the next work week. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Thomas Witte. Have a good day.